Most of you out there think not paying tax is a strategy that buys your company time. But in 2026, you couldn't be further from the truth because HMRC have stopped playing ball. Now, if you never pay HMRC, you are about to be hunted. They have never been more aggressive. They're adding penalties, they're adding interests, and they're knocking on your door every single day. And you know, if you ignore them long enough, they're going to take your business assets and they're going to force your company into insolvency. And here's the scary bit. Listen, you don't have to be a bad person to get destroyed by HMRC. You can be a good director, but you panic, you delay, you use the VAT, you use the PAYE, it's like a temporary overdraft. Now, I spoke to a director recently. He basically ignored HMRC, okay? He didn't really know what to say to them because he had a short-term cash flow. He wasn't able to pay them. And in the past, what he'd do is he'd bury his head in the sand for a quarter or two and then stick his head above the parapet and he'd get it dealt with, okay? Now, what happened is they turned up at his door and they took control of his business assets, okay? They went round with a clipboard. He had to sign them over. And from that point, the HMRC owned his business assets. He wasn't able to pay HMRC. He ended up in an insolvency process and he's lost his business. Like it could have been avoided.